to get to Killington. It is not easy. There's no Uber, so we're on this shuttle bus, aka like a city bus, and we're trying to get to our hotel. So hopefully we make it there easily. Yeah, and we're just chilling in the bus.
Not a shuttle. Okay, so yeah.
We did it, y'all. We made it to our hotel, which is the Mountain Inn in Killington, and we got some drinks. There's a distillery slash bar at the hotel, so we are chilling. We're just glad we made it safely, yes. And it's really cute. There's like this little sitting area up here. We're playing games. It's cute. It's cute, and it's very dead here, so we also love that. So yeah, I'm wearing this like fuzzy outfit from Good American. Be cozy gang this weekend.
We're just making a day joke. Yeah, you do know it instantly. You're like, fuck.
I love the chandelier though.
That BK slide is what you're known for.
The BK slide. I'm not on your team, but that was impressive.
Hey. Right, so we're here at Killington and we're supposed to be snowboarding. I'm petrified. I don't even want to do it no more because I'm so scared, but my friends are making me, so we're gonna try. And we stopped to get some liquid courage, and I have a Bloody Mary because that's my favorite drink.
Hey, you look scared as
And I am.
I don't want to do this at all.
But on the upside, y'all know the outfit is cute. The outfit is cute. Thank you.
Give him a little tour.
Thank you.
The outfit is popping. Oh, I also saw this was an amazing place. I was like, I should just open. Back it up. Back it up. I should open a dispensary for like women.
Oh yeah.
All right, cool.
Thanks, Phil. You did so good, yay! She did it. She went down the bunny slope.
And I'm tired. I'm so tired.
Props to her. I've been chickening out all day. I can't lie to y'all. This is a hard sport. I don't know if this is for me.
Hold on, I'll help you out.
Hey, it's my buzz in the heated pool.
Who shoot? Do we know who? Is this all our stuff?
Yeah, it's all our stuff. Hey, Miss Leah V.
She said, okay, I'm coming.
Like grandma. Hey.
snowmobile tour. We're gonna be driving these through the mountains, which I love. It's beautiful, so snowy. I'm wearing my snowsuit from yesterday, but I got a fuzzy headsuit, or headband, wow, fuzzy headsuit. Wearing my snowsuit from yesterday, but I got a fuzzy headband. So does Leah, we're so cute. Yeah. We love it. Alright, we did it. We're on our way back to New York from Vermont. We had the best trip ever. It was amazing. Best birthday weekend. There's Leah. And now we're almost back to the city. Love my friends. Love traveling. And that's it. Alright, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, homies.